Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to blur a face in PicsArt. If you're looking for a way to blur a face on your photo using PicsArt, then here's a simple method. First of all, open up your PicsArt application on your mobile device and then go ahead and select the photo you want to edit. You can choose a photo from your camera roll or simply go ahead and tap on See All Plus button and tap on the background option so that you can select an image from the PicsArt templates. I'm just going to select an image over here. After you do that, you will be taken to the editing screen from where you will need to go ahead and tap on Tools at the bottom. From the Tools menu, click on Selection. Now, click the Select button on the middle of the Tools menu at the bottom and tap on Face. The Face option under Selection tool will automatically detect the face on your photo. Now, go to the top menu and click on Effects. Select Blur from the menu at the bottom. Choose the desired blur effects such as Radial Blur, Pixelize, Lens Blur, Smart Blur, Motion Blur, etc. Select any one blur tool provided from the menu. And then, if the blur doesn't cover the face properly, you can fine-tune your blur effect by clicking on the selected blur tool once again and increase or decrease the intensity of your blur effect using the tools or the drag panels provided on the display. After you are done with blurring your face, you can click on Apply at the top right, and that way you will be able to blur your face using PicsArt. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.